Alright guys, look, check this out. This is the brand new apple bubbly that I'm going to be doing a quick review of. I've tried pretty much every flavor of bubbly. And I've tried their limited edition mango, peach. Those are actually pretty good. I actually like the peach and the mango really well. So let's try this one out, okay? So this is their apple, brand new. There we go. Ooh, it has a nice, almost like a Granny Smith type of aroma. Okay, so this reminds me of, if you ever had like those old or those Japanese apple candies that they have apple flavor, it tastes exactly like that. It smells like that. So it's like it's not. If I had to rank it, it's not as good as the peach or the mango, but it's better than, I would say, the grapefruit and or blackberry. So it's not bad though. It has a nice aroma. Definitely check out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.